Is your end-to-end testing too time-consuming? Do you have too many bugs in production? Meet a revolutionary testing tool. testRigor empowers non-technical people to create effective automated tests. No coding skills required. Create tests 15 times faster compared to Selenium. It takes on average several days to automate a complex scenario with Selenium, and changes in the implementation break the tests. With testRigor, it takes from a couple of hours to minutes. Free up your time and team to focus on building instead of maintaining. With testRigor, the tests are so stable that some customers are using it as a monitoring tool. Your manual QA team will be superstars with testRigor. Automate all of your test cases in a matter of months with stable tests. Choose testRigor.